Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. Whoop whoop. So today, I actually tried filming this tutorial yesterday and it did not work. So I readjusted my angle, did some new stuff to kind of bring you guys in a little closer. Not that much closer. I'm still trying to figure out how best to do kind of like the zoom in on just my eye. But yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys a holiday tutorial today. And so I actually had my makeup packed up to go home, but I decided to pull it back out to do this tutorial. So I'm actually just gonna jump right into this. I'm actually gonna go do my brows off camera. So once my brows are done and I'm all prepped with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, I'm gonna start by going in with my Morphe X, ooh, that overexposure, that white palette. Anyways, the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette. And I'm actually going to go into the shade Enchanted, which is this dark green down here. And I'm going to pick that up on my Anastasia palette brush, the blending side. So I'm just going to dip into this shade and start packing that into my crease, like so. And this is going to look really scary when you do it. It's going to be like, holy crap, how am I ever going to blend that out? But it's okay, because I will show you how to blend it out. Also, don't worry about like making it neat, because we are going to go in and blend out, and if you really need to, you can go in and touch up later. I'm going to put this up for now, and I'm actually going to go in with my NYX Ultimate Brights palette and my tried and true Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush, and I'm going to dip into this darker green shade down here. So this is kind of like a medium green shade. Kind of reminds me of the Grinch. But I'm just going to dip into that with this brush, tap off a few times, and start blending this out with soft circular motions. Really just working that color in and blending. My lighting does not like the fact that I keep looking over here at the mirror. I can't reach. And I'm like, get that in there. Now comes the talking myself part. Anyways. So once I have that concealer, I'm actually going to go in with my e.l.f. eyeliner brush and I'm going to cut the crease. Okay, so once that's done, I'm actually going to search for the brush. Okay, I'm going to take this brush from Keraty Cosmetics. It's kind of a skinny flat brush. And I'm going to spritz it with some setting spray. And then I'm going to go in with my Modern Renaissance palette and the shade Vermeer, and just packing that onto my lid where we cut the crease. And then I'm going in with my angled eyeliner brush from e.l.f. and the shades Love Letter and Venetian Red from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm mixing those two shades together. I'm using those two shades as a liner. And I'm actually going to go in with a makeup wipe and just clean up those edges. I'm going to go in with the C side of my Anastasia Beverly Hills blending brush. I'm going to go in with the green shade from the NYX Ultimate Bright and run that along the lower lash line. Gonna go in on a separate C brush and pick up the shade from the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette. then I'm just going to go in with the other one in that lighter green. Blend that out. Alright, I'm bringing this up a little bit onto the wing. And then once that's done, we are actually done with shadow. And I'm going to go in and curl my lashes. And apply my favorite Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And then finally, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, this Carity Cosmetics brush, and I'm actually gonna take Helia, which is like this green highlighter shade, and pop it into my inner corner. And then take Luna, which is the white shade, and pop it onto my brow bone. And then take just a little bit of Eclipse and Lyra mixed together and add that to the center of my lid. Okay, and then once that is done, actually one thing that I've liked doing lately is taking just a little bit of highlighter and using it on the center of my face just to add a little bit of shine, even though I'm not wearing foundation or anything. I just like adding a little bit of glitter. And then we are done, so I'm going to spritz down my eyes with some setting spray. This is the Maybelline Master Fix Wear Boosting Setting Spray. And then we are done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this second Christmas tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you liked, what you didn't like, and what you want to see next. Share this video with your friends, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.